Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel, Sweets the Queen DIY. I hope everyone is doing well and you know this video finds you well. I hope this video finds you all well, you guys. So today I'm making like this simple shelf, a simple shelf for my office with some wood pieces that I had kind of laying around and collected along the way. So I finally said let me put them to good use and make me a shelf. As you guys can see, this part did not work, so I had to come and take some L corner brackets to get my shelf to stick together as far as the wall parts and the top shelf part. Excuse the little baby action. My baby boy wanted to be all in mommy's business. But I had to take my drill and drill some holes so I can screw on the L corner brackets. I'm not sure if you guys can tell with the editing, but I was having a difficult time with this part. It's like my walls did not want to stay on or up, or whatever. But yeah. So I had a kind of difficult time. It kind of kept coming down and coming on, but we made it work. So finally I get the shelf standing up. Finally I have the walls on, so now I have to work on putting the shelves on. So I started with the bottom shelf to help give me some stability. It's like the bottom shelf and the bottom of the shelf. A two-in-one type of thing. Yeah. And it's going to help keep the stands, the shelf up. I told you guys that I was having difficulties with the top part and the L bracket, so I had to put this piece back together. So here I'm taking my saw and I'm cutting a piece of, it's not like wood exactly. I don't know what kind of wood you would call this, but it's like a strong, very strong cardboard wood mix. I would say it's like for like the back of a dresser or something. But I'm taking this and I cut it down the side so I can put it on the back of my shelf. So here I'm standing the shelf up and I noticed that my measurements were a little off for the back, so I took my saw again and fixed the size and cut it to size. And then I took this rose gold contact paper that I got from Amazon to put on the shelf parts of the shelf. So now guys, I laid the shelf down and now I'm working on putting the contact paper on the backing. This was a different contact paper I got from Amazon. Amazon has been my best friend with these projects. It's a pretty paper. It has like a rose gold, like a rose pink color, some gray in it, you know, and it matches with my design, I guess, really well, which it really wasn't a design. It was like, okay, these are the colors that I had and I just made them go together. But yeah, so I'm putting this on the back part of the shelf. So here I'm taking my mirrored mosaic tiles and I'm measuring the width of the front of the shelf and I'm placing a strip along that shelf. So here I decided to take this white paint. As you can see, the on the bottom of the shelf is kind of like, you know, damaged or whatever. So I just wanted to take some white paint and kind of just, you know, cover it up a little bit. And I'm doing the same for the bottom shelf where the white is and where the shelf has still showing the wood part. So here is like the semi-finished product. This is, I was calling it a fireplace shelf at this point because I could have left it like this and, you know, it could have been like a mock fireplace type of thing, you know, but I needed 2 shelves, so I added another shelf. Here it is laid down in the spot. You know, I'm just measuring, seeing, you know, where I want it, how exactly, you know, I want to place the shelf, make sure it's evenly and nice in the middle. And I started drilling my holes so I can screw the shelf in. So I finished putting the second shelf in, and then I stood the shelf up, you know, trying to make sure it's, you know, balanced, it's not, you know, lopsided, you know, trying to clean out any dust and everything. And then I went on to put some of the rose gold contact paper in a strip in the corners of the shelf, you know, just to give it some design and kind of like cover those corners a little bit. I glued down any loose contact paper and smoothed it over. And then I put some rose gold contact paper on that first shelf, the second shelf. So even though I painted the strip that was showing, I still went ahead and covered it with the rose gold contact paper because it just didn't look right to me with both the other shells being fully covered and then that one having a white strip. I went ahead and cut off any excess paper and smoothed things around with my X-Acto knife and my hand. And here's the finished shelf. And like I said, I could have did so much more, but like, it was just a simple shelf that, it's just for my office. So it wasn't anything, that I'm trying to sell or anything that needed to be extravagant. So, yeah, you guys, excuse the kids playing in the back, but yeah, here it is, my simple shelf. I appreciate you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing, staying tuned. Definitely check out my other videos. Like, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys later.